Hello, welcome to Dr. Anima Upadhyay's Chemistry in Technology lectures. In today's video, we will learn about water treatment. Yes, you heard right. Treatment of water. That means the water is sick. Therefore, it requires treatment. But before we start this video, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and also to like this video and share among your friends. So, what is the treatment of water? Why the water is sick? To understand this, we must first learn that 75% of the earth crust is water. And from that 75%, only 2.8% is fresh water, that is consumable water. The remaining 97.2% is saline water, salt water. And even this 2.8% is now becoming polluted and therefore it requires treatment. So, to understand the water treatment, we will start from the scratch. That is, we must first know what are the sources of water, from where the water is coming. So, we can classify the water on two bases. One is on the basis of occurrence in nature, and another on the basis of impurities dissolved in it. So, on the basis of occurrence, we can classify it into two types: surface waters and underground waters. The examples of surface waters we all know: rivers, lakes, ponds, ocean, and even the rainwater. All of these are surface waters. Then, what is underground water? The handmade wells or the deep bore wells which we drill into the earth, and the springs, that is the waterfalls. They are underground water. Sometimes you go for a picnic on the hill and you see the springs coming out from the hills, that is underground water. Now, this underground water or surface water, they are in contact with the earth. Earth is made up of minerals, and we all know that water is a universal solvent. So, these minerals will get dissolved in the water, imparting its own characteristics to the water, making it impure. So, we can classify the water based on the impurities into two types: hard water and soft water. So, what is hard water? The water which does not form lather readily with the soap solution is called hard water. Here, readily word is very important. And soft water is the water which produce lather readily with the soap solution. So, if it is soft, there is no question of treatment. But because it contains impurities, therefore, treatment of water is required. Because all of us know we cannot survive without water. It is the elixir of life. And if it is polluted by the dissolution of impurities and due to the hardness present in it, we cannot consume it. So, what is hardness? I have used another word, hardness. So, hardness is that property of water which does not allow the water to form lather readily with the soap solution. So, hardness is the property of water which is not allowing the water to form lather readily with the soap solution, and such a water is called hard water. So, what causes hardness in the water? It is the presence of dissolved minerals. So, let us see what are the impurities that could be present in the water. It could be inorganic material such as minerals, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium or iron. It could be organic materials like pigments, dyes, hemoglobin, chlorophyll, or other complex organic molecules. There could be microorganisms present leading to various kinds of serious illnesses that could be even fatal, such as virus, bacteria, protozoa, amoeba, which leads to amoebic dysentery, cholera, so many types of waterborne diseases, allergies. There could be turbidity present in it, the soil. There could be colloidal impurities present in it. There could be dissolved gases present in it, like oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. And all these impurities, if they are present, they could be even suspended impurities like the dead animals or plants floating in the water. All these things leads the water to become impure, and they impart their color, odor, and even taste. But sometimes you may not find color, odor, or taste in the water. So, from where the taste is coming? If the iron content is high in the soil, then there could be some metallic taste in the water, and such a water you cannot consume. Similarly, if the soil is having lot of metals in it, it may have a slight pale yellow color. That water which is colored, you cannot consume because it is not a lemonade, it is simply water. And the water which has some odor or smell, of course, you will not consume it. But if there is no such things like smell, taste, or odor, still it may have dissolved impurities or microorganisms which cannot be seen through the naked eyes. If it is dissolved impurities, you cannot find it because it is forming a true or homogeneous solution, but it is impure. So you need to treat such a water. I will talk about the drawbacks of hardness present in the water in my next video. And so, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep a track of these videos. Take care of yourself. Bye.